This video for educational purposes only and is not investment advice. Any financial decisions require careful consideration and prior analysis. Hey, today, no long introductions, just pure practice. I'll show you how I track the market using an AI tool that's always at hand on my phone. It helps me spot key moments and points out where to focus before I'd even notice myself. My name is Nathan. I've been trading for 8 years, and with experience, I've learned one thing. It's not just about copying someone else's moves, but understanding the why behind what's happening. What drives the movement? How to see the structure and not get lost in the flood of data. Today, I will show you how it works with a real-life example. And if you want to see this process more often, there is a link to my community in the video description. I share my approach there daily. Let's go. So, friends, let's start. No special preparations needed, just internet access. Meanwhile, my assistant has already sent the command we'll be working with today. Let's choose it. Alright friends, final preparations are done and my assistant has already sent me the information. Let's see. Okay, the assistant advises going down. Alright. Probably noticed that after a confident rise, strong candles started appearing in the opposite direction. It's as if someone began to actively push from above. Then the movement slowed a bit, and a candle seemed to freeze. This often happens before a change of direction. At this moment, the bot decided to join the downside. Everything looks logical. Let's watch. Not a bad start. Let's continue. So, we got another command. Heading down again. In the second situation, the bot notices confident downward movement. One red bar after another, and it's clear the pressure hasn't weakened yet. Below there is a zone where the chart previously slowed, and now everything points to movement headed that way again. Let's watch, friends. Good thing my bot isn't equipped with emotional intelligence and can approach such a serious task with a cool head. Let's see what's next. So, there is a command from the assistant. This time, we're going up, friends. After a sharp drop, an equally strong upward move started. The line on the chart suggests there is more energy on the upside now. This could mean the buyers took the initiative. The bot joins the movement and moves with the trend. Let's watch. Great! The upward movement continues, and my bot caught the moment perfectly. So far so good, let's keep going. Friends, my community now has open access to the tool I use every day. No complex formulas, just simplifying perception, highlighting what matters, and never missing the moment. Works right on your phone. No installation needed. I regularly show how I apply this approach live, breaking down examples, discussing what influences price's action, and how to react. If this style resonates with you, check the link in the description or the pinned comment. Now, let me show you how it works in practice. Next, well, this one is easy, friends. I almost immediately agree with my assistant. We dive in. You can see the movement is confident, without pauses or reversals. Everything pushes in one direction. Predictable. Alright, no delays. Let's move on. Looking further. Going down, all according to my assistant's indications. You can see the pressure intensifying. The move down is sharp, with wicks above, and as if someone is preventing the price from going higher. My bot notices this, and I'm joining in. Let's continue, friends. Stay focused. We have information that we should continue down. Okay, let's see. As expected, the movement reached an important zone, slightly bounced back, but sellers aren't giving up. Pressure remains and the bot points to a possible continuation. Everything's on track. Well, let's wrap this up. It's exciting, but not for my assistant. We already received the message. Going up. After a strong drop, the chart stalled in a narrow range. Sideways phase, like a pause before a new move. My assistant shows the lower boundary is holding again, and at the moment, I jump in upwards. What can I say? I'm pleased, friends. If I could hug my assistant, I would. In the past, access to advanced technology was limited, but now things are changing. You can use tools that were once only available to professionals. In my community, we've integrated an AI-powered system. It's not a magical replacement for thinking, but a helper that organizes information and helps you spot key signals faster in data flow. Here's what's waiting for you inside: how the system works and how to apply it in your own trading. Real examples, tracking market behavior alongside the tool, live breakdowns of real-time market situations. Ask questions and get insights from an experienced trader. The link to the community is in the description and the first pinned comment. Go ahead, see for yourself how it works behind the scenes. Thanks for being here. Catch you in the next video or inside the community. See you soon.